Since 1984, our USA-owned and operated plastics company has helped our customers with a reliable supply of hard-to-find sizes of plastic and composite sheets, rods, and tubes in the Boedeker Way. Our multi-million-dollar inventory includes hard-to-find sizes of thick sheets, large diameter rods, and large tubes, and many plastic and composite materials, some of which include G10, Phenolic, HDPE, Polypropylene, UHMW, Nylon, Acetal, Acrylic, Noryl, PTFE, PVDF, Ultem, PEEK, and many others. We also stock the most extensive inventory of hard-to-find high-performance materials like ESD Materials, bearing grade and carbon-filled PEEK, filled PPS Grades, Torlon Grades, Vespel Grades, Celazole PBI, and others. If you are having a hard time finding it, there's a good chance we will have it in stock. Contact us and see how Plastics the Boedeker Way can help reduce your plastic material costs and supply chain headaches with our fully traceable, unmatched inventory available with cut to size and same-day shipping.